Okay. Hope you guys can see just how stormy it is. And it just won't stop. Okay, so everybody wants to know, how much snow do I have? Well, I guess it depends on where you measure it. Just as luck would have it, or Murphy's Law, or whatever it is you want to call it, in front of my house, 4 feet of snow. You think I'm kidding? Check it out. That is the snowdrift that has piled up, completely covering my steps, up to my door. 4 feet of snow. Okay, so doesn't look like we're gonna see much, but maybe you can kind of see our nice, warm, inviting pool. Not so warm and inviting. I'm glad they put the sign up. We would have never known.